So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this faucet by Delta, and so there's the documentation right there. There's the exact model number right there. So you can register with Delta, and if not, I think it's on the tag as well underneath. There should be a little label right there that tells you what the model number is in the event you ever need a cartridge or the finish gets worn out or something. They will, it's a limited lifetime warranty, so they'll take care of most things. So you can see there's a tag right up there on the hot side. That's all your information right there. So you can just call them up, say here's what I got, and they'll replace whatever you need. So anyway, everything's installed. We did let the homeowner know that it's probably a real good idea not to wash down the top of this sink back here. There's just too many holes and too many imperfections in the sink manufacturing that will allow water to get through. Here, air gap especially. So it's all tied back in. We flushed the water hose out before we put the sprayer back on, so everything's working good. Additionally, we went ahead and hooked back up the air gap. It was abandoned and tied. Dishwasher discharge hose was tied straight into the garbage disposal. It's not code. It's pretty common though when you do remodeling and whatnot, you abandon that, but it's tied back in. So full new 7/8 discharge hose coming over, tied into the disposal, and there's the dishwasher discharge hose back up in there. So air gap's been installed, and then they're going to get a different cover for up here to match the faucet. Outside of that, this installation is done.